In primetime news this evening, did the gun amnesty fulfill its purpose? Experts weigh in.
Help coming to fix the road leading to the Blue Mountains.
And later, animal assisted intervention project to be launched in December. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and also online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Thanks, Janella. Jamaica spent more on imports up to the end of July, and also the country got more money coming into the country from exports. I'll give you the latest import-export figures later on.
All right, thanks, Javon. Spencer is also here. You'll tell us what's coming up in sports. Spencer?
Thank you, Herman. The FIFA World Cup Finals is only 3 days old, but today we saw one of the biggest upsets in the history of the tournament. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
And that takes us to our feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what's your reaction to Saudi Arabia's 2-1 win against Argentina?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.